Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show how to change Wi-Fi name and password tutorial. Let's get started. Open Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, or any web browser. Make sure your computer is connected to the Wi-Fi network you want to change. Find your router's IP address, open Command Prompt, CMD. Type ipconfig and press Enter. Find the default gateway and note the IP address, for example, 192.168.1.1. Open your web browser and enter the router's IP address in the address bar, then press Enter. If you see a Not Secure warning, click Advanced. Select Continue or Proceed. Log into your router using the username and password. These details are usually printed on the back of the router or in the user manual. After logging in, go to Network or Wireless Settings. Select the 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz Wi-Fi band. In the SSID Wi-Fi name field, enter your new Wi-Fi name. In the Do PA key or password field, enter your new Wi-Fi password. If your router has both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands enabled, repeat the same steps for the other band. Click Save to apply the changes. Once the settings are saved, your Wi-Fi name and password will be updated. Reconnect all your devices using the new Wi-Fi name and password. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.